Welcome to 601 Riverhill Circle, Unit G1. This nice 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, first floor condo with luxury vinyl plank inside. It's located in the Riverhill Condos neighborhood in Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-26 near Riverbanks Zoo, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So you saw the hallway outside that leads to both parking at the front of the unit, and then the closest door leads out to the back, where you have access to some common area outdoor space. When you enter into the unit in the living room, you can see you have a nice open floor plan layout inside the living room off the entry. It sort of flows around to the rest of the space. You have a coat closet off the front door. And then here on the right side, we'll go ahead and show you this patio and outdoor space. So you have an enclosed or sort of a sunroom or an enclosed porch off the back of the home. You have tile flooring in there, a ceiling fan. You have windows that go out to that common area space out back, as well as a storage closet. And then you can see through the glass door here that you have access to, again, that common area space out back. And then back inside, the living room opens and flows into the dining area that is off the kitchen. So you have nice built-in shutters in here with the ceiling fan, and then it's open to the L-shaped kitchen, where you have an included side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. There's a smooth top electric range, as well as a dishwasher here. Gray cabinets and sort of darker gray countertops. And then right adjacent, you have the full-size laundry closet. You have split washer dryer connections there. You can see there's plenty of extra space and some built-in shelving as well. And you do have a door that fully closes that off. And then on down the hall, your 2 bedrooms and full baths. So again, the flooring continues everywhere except for the bathrooms. So this is the first of the secondary bathrooms here. Excuse me, the secondary bedroom. Both do have walk-in closets. I believe there's an automatic light. There you go, that turns on in there. So you can see there's shelving on that right side built in addition to the hanging space. And then you have the the primary suite. As the updated terminology goes. And you can see a walk-in closet in here. You have plenty of built-ins, got some nice shoe shelving, and then also, or just cubby hole shelving, and then also some just proper shelves in the back, window out to the back of the property. And then also, again, updated bathroom here, the granite countertop on the updated vanity floors, as well as the tile shower and the tile shower and tub, and a nice mirror-like fixture. And then you have some sort of updated fixtures in the shower as well. And then last but not least, we have our second bathroom off the hall, tile shower and tub in here as well. And then you have a nice size counter and the medicine cabinets sort of built in classic style beneath the mirror, sort of a more classic style light fixture, and tile flooring in here as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 601 Riverhill Circle, Unit G1. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.